Sentences, soft T. Focus. T between vowels or in fast linking sounds like a soft D. I bought a bottle of water at a little store. She wrote a letter and put it on the table. We are waiting for a better opportunity later. He is getting ready for the party tonight. I met a pretty girl in the city yesterday. They are sitting at a table eating dinner. He is writing a note about the meeting. She is putting butter on the hot potato. We are getting a lot of data from the computer. I saw a beautiful waterfall in the city. He is cutting the tomato for the salad. She is waiting for her daughter outside. They are fighting for a better future. I am meeting a friend later in the city. He is hitting the ball with a metal bat. She is writing a letter to her teacher. We are putting everything in the bottle. He is getting a better result this time. They are eating at a little restaurant in the city. I am sitting with my buddy and talking about life.